Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a sprawling 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom house for sale. This house sits on 31,279 square feet of land. It is situated in the cool, lush hills of Limal, St. Anne, Jamaica. This airy split-level property boasts on the upper level a sitting area, 3 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. 2 of these bedrooms open up to a veranda, which offers spectacular views of the ocean in the distance and the lush greenery of the property. On the second floor, there is a grilled patio to the front of the building, a bedroom with ensuite bathroom, designated rooms for living, dining, sitting, half bath, laundry and kitchen, as well as a veranda similar to the first floor. There is a basement level with an electronic double-car garage, which allows easy access to the house, a room and storage. The house features an electronic gate, security system, storage, large water reservoir, water heater, a courtyard, accessible from the dining room, gazebo, and lots of indoor and outdoor space for entertaining. The grounds are dotted with flowers and fruit trees such as naseberry, soursop, avocado, star apple, jackfruit, lychee, coconut, just to name a few. The property is 10 minutes away from St. Anne's Bay. Make an offer today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $450,000 or Jamaican $69.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.